Dang sian hakani katayo ba dab triang ba abdai ru presiden ke NPP Conrad ke sangma Iakren Dait ya ke MLA keleng persya ada babu jingkali hatu ki pentrikam hokne ya ke MLA Skhim jongki klem penslem dum dam mentakasngi ba Ardent mila bersemo badai MLA ke Nongkrem baru presiden ke Voice of the People's Party ulai ai sendon da ke jing tho Conrad ban Sdang no ban pelong ya ke jing Tohkit halo ke jing pentrikam ya ke MLA Skhim jongki MLA baru ajing mutru bahkan bhala dak soka kan sedang nengkong ban Tohkit ya ke Skhim na Nongkrem constituency ke bawah mi khmat na du ajar pra kenang ban tip syai ki pai ba haba pen pa wajing sngu ya hab ke jing sngu khio Conrad hal garukum pentrikam ya ke Skhim uba Ardent hak city long ba usngu tenat ba ya ke jing sngu khia jom terang ba badai ban pentrikam hok ya ke Skhim hak garukum ke pasyai kedar ban ya tip pai ba ya ke jing pendonkam uba ada nuak pentip ru baka parti ka ada betha syabaro ke MLA jongka bakin penti kena ya ka jing pentrikam ya ka MLA Skhim kadai ban long hak hukum ke bakhuj bat ke basya syau pai ba kenang me syai pai ba hal kumnu ke MLA ki pelut bat pentrikam ya ka MLA Skhim uba ada nu ajing mut ya Conrad bun thung no maldol da ka jing Tohkit ke balai luj ban Tohkit ya ki MLA Skhim bagi MLA ki pentrikam kenang bagi pai ba ken yo ya ka jing syai bagi jing tip bat ya ka jing Tohkit la ru ban Sdang nengkong na Nongkrem constituency hi bat sapen but sya giwe pat constituency jong baro andau puteli ki constituency ha ka jela
ngam tip kai ke penong ya chief minister lese chief minister la song song shit aka jing rum khot jong ki bri party kala penong yu chief minister lese bon kren ni ki kentia but kawe ni hapan song tu ba ka jing sadin jong ka constituency kamdi had tang nakadao ke MLA Skhim arklur shiteng shisnam kalapyang se ba kentiu ya ka constituency tang dai tai arklur shiteng rei ka state le ka constituency ka kiu ha ka kompetrikam jana ki schemes ki pep link ba ki department ko pep bakata kali kamram jo सरकार lada mengi ki badon hakal yang persya ni la ban le ya kata ala ni ban rai ka roi ka par dan badon hakal yang sinsha kapabut ngim don kam hiru bangi ni kren yelu do ngin le henry ya ki kam roi ka par ni kadi ke kam janai jo ki department bat ka policy jong ka सरकार kani kadi ke jing persyang ban ketat mo iga jimut ke jipakat ki pat ba ka ba persyang ban kedo ya ka benta ese ka ba film berkat la ka long nem ba don Nongkrem ba shisha ke kumungi kombakalong ngalajop ya MLA election adu snem arajar pra hadu ajar khat pra wat ajar khat pra ngarem no kompetitif new pudribot bat hagini kisan snem nadu ajar khat pra hadu arajar arpulai aklem don benta IAVM bat constituency dan dibagi pai ba lah kan wondu benta kalian telara kita ki snem ki bangang along kumu MLA ok ki pai ba ulama ki dong ki snem ki ba ngakrem la ban peni ki kam phimot pai ba on jit yang house snem arajar arpulai ba jingjok ke bodon bro angit ki pai ba ha ka jela ki mok ki pai ba ki ha ka jela ki bat ke election house snem arpulai kam election ka balong simple ndai ke election how apply ro ke election ka shirkai ke je the ka ji ajira ndai bali ba dan ba khlem le yu job ma ki pai ke ship house nem bat ke jingram ko junga ha ka aja kha phal se kam le ke jingram no ba pai ba pan tai ai ke ke jing punya ke jumblai pan sandur thmai pat ke san pertai ha ka jala ke jo kadang ke ji ka party kadang ke president bat ke ji right star wal nomor ni jo halai iwan ban ai ke city our chief minister ke city hakibidi bat jing pentrikam ni ke MLA Skhim ka ba kami ke jing control na kalian ke chief minister ba ke jing pentrikam ya ke MLA Skhim ha kham tam ke ki constituency bala mi khmat ke dia syamo dakwa thau se ke jing thau ko khambon se ko Voice of the People Party kamilong ka ba bet se ka tikana kani kisithi ke Nongkrem ni mo an puli khnep dan sai copy sub copy to Shri Conrad Sama, Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Italia, Shillong, from Ardent Miller Sama, MLA President Voice of the People Party, Lakko Kaptan East Castle District. Subject implementation of MLA schemes. Dear Mr. Conrad, on behalf of the Voice of the People Party, I take this opportunity to write to you this letter in connection with the implementation of MLA schemes. Our attention has been drawn by your recent statement in connection with the implementation of MLA schemes, where you had expressed your concern about the manner in which MLA schemes are implemented, especially in constituencies representing by members belonging to the opposition. I would like to appreciate your concern and apprehensions when you decide to question whether MLA schemes have been properly utilized or not. I fully endorse your sentiment that MLA schemes should be properly utilized and implemented in a transparent manner. I would also like to bring to your notice that as a party which believes in transparency and accountability, it had already written a letter to all its MLAs to ensure that implementation of MLA schemes should be implemented in a transparent manner. Therefore, in this connection, I would like to take a cue from your statement and express my sincere desire for an independent inquiry into the implementation of MLA schemes in the state to be immediately constituted by the government. I would further suggest that you initiate this investigation from the year 2008 onwards, starting from 22 Nongkrem constituency and subsequently to be followed by other constituencies. I hope you will seriously consider this matter so that the people of the state will be more informed about the entire issue. This is Kanigadiga, Shiki Kabangi Diwan Ayo, Chief Minister. Adin Bangi Osno Yaga Jinkren Gajimu, Ba Kamdon Karukom Pentrekam Kabajanai Kabang Agadi Game. Any scheme. The Nagalenga Jung, but Nagalenga job President Diwan Ayo, Jiko, and Dawanus, Chimsa Budiban, Tau Daka Tohkit, Mok, Valayu independent inquiry, but Sdang Tohkit Yaki Chimpen, Rekamik MLA scheme, Adu Usnem Arjar Pra, but a Kabakistan Nongkrem constituency, or Sipan Board Partner constituency.